The seeds are not available in garden shops. You have to pick a mature magnolia fruit or pod from the tree at correct time to collect seeds. This pod is not ripe and does not reveal any seed, so not good for collecting seeds. Leave this pod on the tree to ripen fully. Look for a fully ripe pod that has started to split and open up naturally on the tree. At this stage, you can harvest the whole pod. Allow the pod to dry in shade for several days until they are fully open. Berries are now fully visible and easy to separate. Remove the berries from the pod. The actual seeds are inside these berries. Do not try to take out the seeds by cutting the berries with a cutter as it may break the seeds. Soak the berries in water for 2 days to loosen the outer cover. It is now very easy to take out the seeds. Just press the berries with your fingers. The seeds will easily come out. Throw out any broken seeds. The germination of magnolia seeds need stratification to break their dormancy. Stratification involves long exposure of seeds to cold and damp conditions. Wrap the seeds in a paper towel or a tissue paper. Spray some water on it and seal it in a bag. Then place the bag in fridge for 2 to 3 months. Open the bag every 10 days and change the paper if it becomes black and throw away any rotten seeds. You may see some sprouted seeds after about a month or more. Planting the stratified seeds. Take a pot having drainage holes at its bottom. Mix some river sand in soil to make it free draining. Fill the pot with this soil mixture and plant the sprouted seed about 1 centimeter deep. You can also plant the stratified seeds which have not sprouted but swollen. These will also grow seedlings. Spray some water on soil. Cover the pot with a clear plastic sheet to maintain high humidity inside and place it at a warm place but away from the direct sunlight. The seeds need a temperature around 21 degrees Celsius for germination. If outside temperature is not in this temperature range, then you can place the pot indoors in kitchen or on the fridge. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. The seed will grow seedling in about a month. The seed which has already sprouted during the stratification process will grow seedling quickly. Keep the soil moist. You can transplant the seedling when it grows 3 to 4 sets of leaves, usually after a month or so. I continued the seedling in the same pot so the roots have come out of the pot. I will transplant it in a bigger pot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.